So here we are at Van Wert Carts and More, 883 North Washington Street here in Van Wert, Ohio. Looking at this pretty 2015 EZGO TXT. It's got the black and blue streaker body on it with the gorgeous black and blue 14-inch HD alloy STI wheels. And it also that's coupled with the 23 by 10 by 14 all-terrain slasher tires. Good looking setup there. This cart also comes with the 6-inch Jake's Long Travel lift kit on it. It's adjustable. Very nice lift kit, the best on the market. Does have the LED headlights. The chrome brush guard comes with the lift kit onto the passenger side here. It does have the dual USB ports. Open this up and there's your USB ports. Does have the street legal kit, which is your windshield, 5-panel mirror, turn signals, brake lights, fold down rear seat. This seat does fold down into a bed. Fold it back up, and now you have 4-passenger seating capacity. Again, 2015 EZGO TXT with the black and blue streaker body. Get out here to 883 North Washington Street here in Van Wert. Call us 419-238-2732. Get in and get a good look at this. Take it for a drive, and bring your trailer in, bring your truck in, whatever you want. Take it home with you today.